Talking at a railway station in English and Hindi. Here are some common scenarios you might encounter at a railway station, with examples in both English and Hindi. Asking for information. Excuse me, could you please tell me where the ticket counter is? क्षमा करें, क्या आप मुझे बताएंगे कि टिकट काउंटर कहाँ है? Please excuse me, could you tell me where the ticket counter is? Do you know when the next train to Delhi is leaving? क्या आप जानते हैं कि दिल्ली जाने वाली अगली गाड़ी कब चलेगी? Do you know when the next train to Delhi will leave? Buying a ticket. One ticket to Mumbai, please. Sleeper class, if available. मुझे मुंबई का एक टिकट चाहिए. Sleeper class, अगर हो सके तो. I need one ticket to Mumbai. Sleeper class, if possible. How much is a platform ticket? प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट की कीमत क्या है? What is the price of a platform ticket? Asking for directions. Excuse me, which platform is my train to Chennai leaving from? क्षमा करें, मेरी चेन्नई जाने वाली गाड़ी कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म से चल रही है? Excuse me, from which platform is my train to Chennai leaving? How do I get to platform number 5? मेन प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 5 पर कैसे जा सकता हूँ? How can I get to platform number 5? General conversation. Is this train usually on time? क्या ये गाड़ी आमतौर पर समय पर चलती है? Does this train usually run on time? Excuse me, could you please mind my luggage for a moment? क्षमा करें, क्या आप थोड़ी देर के लिए मेरे सामान का ख्याल रख सकते हैं? Excuse me, could you please watch my luggage for a moment? Remember, be polite and respectful when interacting with others at the station. Speak slowly and clearly, especially if you are not fluent in the language. Be aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings safe.